everybody, Brandon with Bearded CB82. Well, like the title says, got a little bitty EDC update. Got some stuff from Amazon and thought I'd show that real quick, but also I've got a mail call. Mail call comes from none other than Senior Chief Will, aka J.K. Canvas, as a lot of us know him here in the communities. And so what did he send? Well, the other day he texted me a picture of the letter that was supposed to be in here and told me I better read it. Being the fact he outranks me, might as well follow orders. And yeah, ego boost, but who cares? He's an awesome guy. I'll put a link to his channel here. Alright, so Brandon, brother, where do I start? First, thank you for being so awesome and providing advice to a new YouTuber. Second, thank you for your friendship, and lastly, thank you for just being you and providing great content. Enclosed are 2 of my channel stickers and other goodies. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Will. Yeah, I did have to rewrite it down because I'm using the phone at the moment. So, first off, mail call. Let's see what we got. Oops, try not to show some addresses here. It feels squishy. Try not to damage anything. What do we got? First thing. Oh yeah. Brigade HQ, or Brigade Quartermasters. So they're a pretty good brand. It's a skull cap. So minus the tag on top. Yeah. Ooh, that one's actually thick. That one's really thick. So that'll be nice and warm. Haha. Here we go. Good. Just in time for winter. Alright. So, second up, we got... Did go all out. Man. Vinyl. J.K. Canvas. Established 2018 on YouTube. Couple things. Sure. Go back in and out of focus. Alright. Next thing, well, there's a couple things inside this other beanie. So, a couple challenge coins. So we've got the 45th President of the United States. And then we've also got United States Navy Falcus bottle opener coin. How about that? We're gonna have to do some further testing on this one for sure. So, thank you very much for those. Those will go. Got a special box that I keep all my coins in. Those will go right in there with them. So, well, except this one, I might be keeping this one in my pocket. Air compressor. Video would not be complete without it, and I know Will would love to see it. So, alright, so we got beanies, we got the stickers, and double check. Oh, just one sticker. Still, look at that. That's vinyl. I'm going to have to find a good place to set that one since it's big. But thank you very much as I go dropping stuff. The beanies are awesome. The coins are awesome. The stickers are awesome. Like I said, go check him out. Putting up really good stuff. Alright, so now on to the Amazon stuff and EDC update. Part of the EDC update is more actually everyday use, but I also, these North gloves, they're the heavy PVC line, but they're also felt lined. I really like these for winter. They got a really good grip to them. especially when a lot of the trucks they'll come in sometimes frozen, grime, everything else, or if I'm working out back in the trailer a lot trying to unfreeze trailer brakes. These help keep your hands really warm. I keep a set here in the shop, then I also keep a set in my truck because I also like using them for ice fishing. Those videos are on my outdoor channel. I'll post a link up here to one of those ice fishing videos from last year. Just been not quite yet cold enough to get the ice real thick yet. Second thing, this is for my EDC. It's from Maxpedition. And a lot of you guys that watched my EDC video over the summer with my red rock, well, I'll pull that thing out here first. I'm going to show you this. The pistol holster. This is a Maxpedition 3535 F as in Foxtrot sneak holster insert. Get it to focus. There you go. And what this is, silica pack. It's actually a lot better made than the red rock. Let me pull that out and show you. First, we'll carefully take this out, as yes, it is safe, or about as safe as you're going to get one in the chamber, as always. So safety checking, it's going to be a no-go here. This guy, that's what I've been sticking my pistol down into my pack. And my koozie fix is starting to come undone because it's soft on the outside, and regardless of which way you turn it, you always wind up with the rough side of the Velcro on the inside. Not that I really care about safe queens, but I want to keep, you know, this on the nicer end if I'm able to, but just keep from dragging it across too much. But so the red rock is going bye-bye for now. Might find a different use for it some other place. But yeah, I know. The Maxpedition 2 holster, 2 mag pouch. I've been just carrying one extra mag with me here lately. I mean, it's 14 rounds, and then you already got 15 in this thing. If I need more than that, it's a really, really, really bad day. It is what it is. I do carry a spare mag, I'll say that much. But this has the mag pouch right here. And then your pistol goes in here. So you can orientate this whichever way you want on the Velcro liner if you carry a bag like me. But a lot simpler on the Velcro. The Maxpedition's been working flawless. Love this. This, I think this was about $10 or so. Excuse me. The red rock was $10. This was $11 and change. So, made in Vietnam. Oh well. But this is made a lot better because the inside, it's all the soft Velcro. Here's the pump. So the soft Velcro that goes around your pistol, which is technically what you want. I know, like I said, I don't care about it being a safe queen, but on the same token, I don't want to dick stuff up too much if I don't have to. So, yeah, we might have to reconfigure this. Yeah, I think we'll put it in this way. The Maxpedition upside down. How tight you want it. Maybe just a touch tighter. Alright, so that's how she's going to go in. There you go. Might have to adjust that back a little bit more and give it a little bit wider spread. But we're going to get this stuck in the bag. Going to let you guys go. Merry Christmas. Remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. You screw something up, somebody could die. And if you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. Choose a designated driver. Call Uber. Or if you're just having your glass of wine with dinner and all that stuff, be wise. So, take care, everybody. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Take care.